Yo, what's up guys? Just arrived to Legian, to Padma. Warung Erika, unfortunately Erika is away because this weather's so bad today. As you can see, it's very big rain. Nobody is here actually. I'm only one. It's very, very strong rain. I'm currently already full wet. As you can see, I'm only one on the beach. But I have to make a vlog for you because I already promised you, and anyway, I just have to make a vlog no matter of what, even if it will be snow. However, I just want to show you as I'm only the one on the beach, on the Legian beach, and the weather is so crazy. I'm already full wet, like full body, including you know what. So if I could ask you for the favor, just please big thumb up just for my effort today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now, because I do vlogs every single day, and no matter of what, no matter of weather. As you can see, it's very big rain, the waves, and I'm only the one on the beach, on the Legian beach, Padma beach. Well, at least it's not hot, but my mask is already wet and it's very difficult to talk. Even I'm only one on the beach, but due to the current regulations I have to wear mask. I hope so I'm not gonna get tomorrow pimples on my lips. The rain is going worst. Woo. Check this out. I show you a little bit how it looks around. As you can see, I will clean the lens for you. Sorry, it's big rain. As you can see, really nobody around. I will show you how it looks. Legian, Padma today. One thing what you have to remember, guys, only Mr. Monkey will show you, no matter of what. But trust me, the weather is so terrible. I mean, it's very big rain, it's really huge rain. I never been on the Legian beach like this, as I'm completely by my own. It's no nappy day, it's just rainy. Oh, it's going more and more worse. I will walk on the Padma street. I'm so sorry, I got a little bit lost the breath. However, that's how it looks, the situation. The band are chilling there. Here is the guy. There is the Azul. This is the Bali Mandira. This is Padma. This is my singer. Sing the song for me, my friend. Very good. Singer, sing. Song.
Beg to leave, smoke my side, go beside. Joe is passing up to thank you for the body, the love we feel apart.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. You are the best. Oh my God. As you can see, again, the weather is so bad. It's tropical rain, I know, so should be no problem. I couldn't do it now, walking on the Legian street in Europe, where it's probably very cold rain. This is tropical rain. However, it's very strong rain. I'm walking on the middle of the street. Anyway, for many of you who miss Legian, this is for you, Padma Legian. I just quickly want to show you how it looks, the situation. My shoe it's already wet. However, this is the vlog must be done. This is the Bali Mandira over there. Bali Mandira is now open. They have a 2 million package for the Nyapi Day, which is in next 3 weeks. yeah, I have no plans for Nyap here this year. Yo, what's up, bro? So that's how it looks. I'm so sorry as the water is on the lens, but I hope so you can still enjoy the vlog. I don't know if you can feel the rain, and you can see how strong is actually rain. I used to drive like this today from Sanur to Legian, so that's why I got wet already, even I used the rain jacket. So this is the Padma Legian Hotel. As you can see, Padma Legian also is open. Yeah, what's up? This is the one restaurant. It's open finally. Very nice, by the way. Some kids enjoying the rain. Enjoying like me? Like me? So, this is the one restaurant open. Unfortunately, it's totally, empty. Nobody is there. Porser Bar, pub, sorry. This is the Padma Uttara. This bar is closed. As you can see, it's very rainy. I'm so sorry for the lens one more time. Here is the Baxo cellar, hidden. Massage. So that's how it looks, the situation over here, and the rain is going more and more. Okay, if you are familiar, this is the corner of Garlic Lane. I made a vlog 2 weeks ago about Garlic Lane. If you haven't watched somehow, so this is the Garlic Lane. This is the Indomaret. Here is the tattoo shop. The purpose of today's vlog, as is nobody around here, is not only because it's rainy. Obviously it's less people driving around, but I just want to show you about the businesses, what is open, what is closed. This is the Circle K, and except the Circle K over here and the restaurant at the corner and the 2 hotels, which is Padma and Bali Mandira, rest of the businesses unfortunately are still remains closed, which is super sad. Here is the Casa Padma, Legian pub, Quicksilver shop, Rooster, oh shit. As you can see, the rest of the businesses is just still closed. Hyundai Santa Fe. Here is building for rent. I don't know what used to be here, but it's for rent. Okay, one place here next to the Guardian, but it's also closed. I mean, yo, what's up? I mean, maybe it's open, but tables are just... Okay, this is the Locca Legian. I think it's open actually now. Yeah, it's open because I can see the health and safety protocols, so it's open actually. The Locca Legian, this one is actually a very nice hotel, so that's how it looks. Yeah, I show you one more point of view how it looks over there. There where is the Circle K is the Legian Street. I'm heading into that direction. I prefer to walk on the street because, well, anyway, it's still empty, but the path over here is very slippery when it's wet. So it's very important to do not fall down somewhere in this current situation. Sate seller. So, as you can see, except very few businesses, everything is closed. This is the Padma Timur street, very small street, and over there is the river. If you're familiar with the area, this is like a kind of shortcut. You can go only from that way. And over here is the North Legian and Seminyak, and over there is the South Legian and Kuta. So this is Legian Street. I'm just gonna quickly show you few shots of the Legian Street. If I'm already here, normally over here the people selling some street food, but not today, maybe because of the weather and the conditions. So basically that's how it looks in Legian Street. Nasi seller, nasi jingo I think, or nasi bongkus, any kind of nasi. So behind me was the Legian Street, but today's vlog is about Padma Legian. Okay, I'm gonna back to the beach, and let's see how's the situation on the beach one more time. Oh, by the way, very nice Vespas, 1 and 2. All right, I'm going back to the Legian Padma Beach, sorry, Legian Padma Beach. As you can see, the rain hasn't stopped yet. It's actually the same waves. Here is the parking guy, singer, and Coca-Cola truck. As you can see, here is the Banjar Pechalang chilling around. As you can see, life is very very calm here, especially with this weather. Here is the trucks for cleaning rubbish. Okay, one thing at the end what I have to say is that as the beach today is very clean, as you saw. I know it's no people and nobody, but with these waves it's just very clean. Here is the Padma Hotel. I will show you quickly. As you can see, deep and dine, 250k net, 150k child inclusions. So super cool. Actually, maybe I will just go quickly here. I think if I'm gonna go quickly here, I'm not gonna get a problem with security, right? So this is the Padma. I think it's actually still closed. Here supposed to be a swimming pool. There is the pool actually, and there is the sandbox. Okay, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. One more time, if I can have a big favor to you guys, big thumb up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. I will really appreciate that. This costs you nothing, but for us, for me, is helping to grow our channel, which is the most important thing at the moment for me. And well, what I can say, thank you so much. I go home, hot shower, change clothes, and I hope so we're not gonna be sick. Anyway, see you tomorrow, like always. See ya, take care. Even my bike soon gonna be float. It's like hopefully not gonna be flood.